and welcome to another video where I get to unbox various blind boxes from various places like Pop Mart, Miniso, etc. And welcome to Financially Irresponsible because I bought this last week, and today we are unboxing, as you can tell in the title. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's upside down. We are unboxing Hacipupu Gummy Bear Series from Pop Mart. I saw this and I rarely see this in the wild. This is a scented plush pendant where it is pastel-y colors, which I'm a sucker for. It's why a long debate to myself. These are all like scented to different like flavors of like fruits. So there is like cherry, pineapple, peach, green apple, blueberry, and grape. There is a secret, I think, but I don't know what like flavor it would be. You'll see it right here, what the secret is. But yeah, I don't know what to expect other than it's gonna be very cute, it's gonna be very gummy bears, and it's gonna be very artificially smelly. We are gonna open! Da, 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 da. These are so cute. I saw this like when it first released and I didn't get it because I don't know if I want it. I had to think about it for a while, and I did, and I saw them in person, and I thought about it a while, and here we are. Da, 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 da. Look at this beautiful box. There will be no duplicates, but may get switched if there's a secret in here. Do you know what this reminds me of? Like the smell? Laundry detergent. Laundry powder. Let's go with this box. So this is what the box looks like. This is the main one in front of the box. This is the peach flavor, and then this side, oh my god, is so bright, and you see all the different like colors and flavors. Kind of hoping not to manifest a secret, not gonna lie, because I like all the colors. If I had to choose between like which to replace, I guess peach, because it's similar color to like cherry and pineapple in a way. Oh my god, this is like so cute. So this is what it comes with, like the packaging. That is so unique. Usually it's just a rip thing, but I never had like a string bag before. This is so reusable. Alrighty, time to close my eyes because I gotta open this. Alrighty, I got the guy. You guys see it first. What is it? Ooh, it's blueberry. Oh, you remind me of like the Care Bears. Is it Grumpy Bear? No. Storm Bear? No. I'm so bad at remembering names in Care Bears because it's been a while. Look how cute you are. I don't know what blueberry smells like. It just smells like fruit, like jam. I wish there's like smell-o-vision so you could smell it. Look into the team. What does your card look like? Oh, the card is so cute. Hold on. Look at this card. Look at this transparent card. Isn't that adorable? Candy wrapper type of vibe. I like it when like blind boxes do like unique things for the product, like the drawstring like thingy, like this thing that came with it, as well as the cards. I find that really cool. Box number 2. Here's another one. So all of them are different, so you don't know like which one you're gonna get, which is nice. All right, closing my eyes. What are we getting? I'm gonna guess cherry. Nope, it's pineapple. These guys have the same face, except like different hairstyles. It does smell like pineapple. I wonder if like my room will smell like fruits at the end of this. Yep, they do smell like pineapples. Seal of approval. It's a bit darker yellow than what the product is, but still pretty cute. Halfway there, box number 3. Box number 3, I'm gonna guess this is green apple. Open. Sesame. Alrighty. Dun, 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 dun. You guys see it first? It is. Nope, I got it wrong. It is peach. Oh, you're different. You're different this time. It doesn't have like the tongue out. You look kind of angry. Why are you angry? Or you're pouting? So cute. I think I'm a sucker for like pink as well. You're kind of lopsided. Not gonna lie, but still love you nonetheless. Ooh, is that what peach smells like? Really? It smells weird. It just smells like detergent. I know it looks weird for me sniffing the plush, but it's scented, so I'm trying to like be investigating. It does not smell like peach, and if it is, then I'm like, am I smelling it wrong? Maybe you're the culprit. Maybe that's why the box smells like detergent, because you're detergent. Welcome to the team. You're very bright in the camera. And this is what the card looks like. I'm a sucker for all these cards. They're so cute. Welcome to box number 4. Alrighty, I want grape or cherry. I'm gonna close my eyes and just give you a peek. What do we have? Is it cherry or grape? Nope, it's green apple. Alrighty, welcome to green apple. You're so cute. You're the same like vibe as the peach one. Look, you're so cute. Okay, smell test. Not gonna lie, this the exact same smell as the peach one, or I could be wrong. It just smells like the same as the peach one, but a little bit subtler. I don't know what green apple smells like, but overall, you're pretty cute. And I just realized that their ears have like a symbol of like their flavor. So this one has a green apple in this ear. You don't know if you can see. It's like very tiny. So cute. And this is the card of green apple. Alrighty, we're now missing cherry and grape. Here's the bag. Alrighty, here it is. What is it? Ooh, cherry! You're so cute. You remind me of that one character in Toy Story 3. It just gives me that same vibe. Maybe it's the color palette or something. His ears are a little short. A little tiny. Alright, smell test. I don't smell anything. Is my nose just blocked now and not smelling anything anymore? I mean, there is something like very subtle. Maybe my nose is like, no, you smell too many things. It's now combining into one. It's there. It's just very, very small. Like very subtle. Still cute. And the card looks like this. Da, 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 da. This is one of my favorite cards so far. Alrighty, last box remaining. Will this be a secret or will this be grape? Who knows? Only one way to find out is by opening it. So rip! You guys will see it first, whether this is a secret or the grape that I'm thinking of. I feel like it's grape. It is grape! Aw, you're so cute. Smell test. Oh, I definitely smelled the grape in this. Because I had like a grape juice thing yesterday with friends and it definitely smells like this. His arms are very big though, I must say. Like it's a tad bigger than like the rest of the crew, but it's so cute. I wish they'd do something at the back, like embroidered there. Was it their scents at the back? Like this is grape instead of like their ears, because their ears are very small and tiny. I like it. You're so adorable. And this is what the card looks like. Honestly, I love these cards. They're so cute. I like unique cards. Alrighty, so that is it for this unboxing. I hope that you guys all enjoyed. We got the full set of the Hacipupu Gummy Bear plush pendant series. Unfortunately, we didn't get the secret, but that's okay because I love them all equally. Even though one of them's on the floor now. Yee! He's like, nope, I'm signing out. Okay, and I'll see you guys all in my next one, whenever that will be. And I'll see you guys all in my next adventure. So this is Rin signing out. Bye everyone. Take care. Love you all. See you. Bye.